To link Cash App with Afterpay, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and navigating to the Banking tab. From there, select the Add Bank or Card option and choose the Add Bank option. You will then be prompted to search for your bank. In this case, Afterpay. Since Afterpay is not a traditional bank, you will need to link it through the other bank option. To do this, you will need to have your Afterpay account information readily available, including your routing and account numbers. Afterpay uses a virtual debit card that can be added to Cash App as a regular debit card. To find your Afterpay routing and account numbers, log into your Afterpay account and navigate to the Payment Methods section. From there, you can find the virtual debit card details and copy the routing and account numbers. Go back to the Cash App and enter the routing and account numbers. Then follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Once you have linked your Afterpay account to Cash App, you can use it to make payments and transfer funds. Keep in mind that Afterpay has certain restrictions and fees associated with its services. So be sure to review the terms and conditions before using it with Cash App. It is also important to note that linking Afterpay to Cash App may require additional verification steps, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email. Be sure to follow the prompts carefully to complete the verification process and ensure a smooth linking experience. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can successfully link your Cash App with Afterpay and take advantage of the benefits and convenience that come with it. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and best practices to ensure a secure and efficient transaction experience.